Angela, this is...
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me
Yes,
phone
you
and
hear?
break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business. But I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have me
Yes, but
receipt.
you are late. You have a couple weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
All right, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
All right, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. What I go on for we? You know what to do, mommy?
I stressy people, them a stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the aisle and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him different long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them are going to kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me at the road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but me know say he have money, he have things. But me don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
How me I gotta do that? 4 months now, me and him stop talking, you know. And every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer and you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call him, you did it then. Call the man.
I'm gonna call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, going with nothing. Just a call if you tell you something. Nothing like that. You know, I'm pregnant though.
Okay, why father?
What do you mean, why father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember, say, when me and you do it, used a condom and me take care of my things. You understand? And nothing never wrong. So I don't really understand what going on. Maybe you take up a condom and force up on your own or something. I don't know.
Well, I guess it burst or something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. Maybe not sleep with.
I just don't know why I'm still excited. So you said, you come check me with her.
Yes, me will come link you.
Here,
Yeah,
still sexy.
always.
My God, we're bound for.
Alright. Public! Public!
But wait. My God. How you coming? You back here or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come in, come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touchy man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brethren talk about and water them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but I am tonight.
I know easy at on a serious note still. 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, me tell us me I feel pain and everything discomfort. I kill me right now, me sitting here so. Right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if you could have get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? They want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice, man. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice and I get some true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, baby, it sound good, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so the song come back here.
Alright, B.
Let me show you. Let me show you first. No, it's just what the baby, not at all. You know what the baby hungry. Yeah? Chunko.
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And the belly be show my belly flat like for me.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come the whole on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy,
If it you know? If it you true man.
Mommy, you work for you, you know? Right now, KFC and gone by. Alright.